Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up here in Big Bear Lake. And today I'm going to give you an insider look at the exciting world of our lakefront properties up here in Big Bear Lake. There's nothing quite like the serene views, fresh mountain air, and the unmatched lifestyle that comes with owning a lakefront home. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway, an investment property, or a permanent residence, Big Bear has something to offer in every price range. Currently, lakefront properties start at around $510,000 and this is going to be for a 2-bedroom, 3-bath condo with approximately 1,574 square foot on Lakeview Drive. But if you are looking for more and private space, there are homes in the $900,000 to $1.5 million range, anywhere from 1,262 square foot to 3,481 square foot, giving you a lot of room to enjoy your lakefront lifestyle. Now, let's talk about some of the higher end options. If luxury is what you are after, homes priced above $2 million really showcase the best of Big Bear's lakefront living. For instance, a 5-bedroom, 6-bath home over on Waterview Drive, boasting over 5,300 square foot, is currently listed at $5.8 million, a true masterpiece for those wanting both space and elegance. On average, lakefront homes in Big Bear have around 2,500 to 3,500 square foot, depending upon the price point. Those higher end properties are often larger, with some exceeding 4,000 square feet, giving you ample space for family gatherings or weekend retreat. Now, let's talk about market activity. Lakefront properties move quickly when priced right. Homes listed between $1 million and $2 million have been seeing a lot of interest lately, especially those with direct lake access and updated amenities. We have seen recent sales, such as this home on Gibraltar Road, which just sold for $1,175,000. And another over on Lagunita Lane for $1,275,000, both selling relatively close to their list price. Comparing those to the higher end properties over $2 million tend to stay on the market just a little bit longer, but they offer unique opportunities for the right buyer. For instance, there's a 5-bedroom home over on North Shore Drive listed at $3.6 million. And there's a truly luxurious estate over on Knoll Road at a whopping $12 million, offering over 8,000 square foot. These homes are custom built, often with no expense spared on the finest details. So whether you're looking to buy or sell, the Big Bear Lakefront market is full of opportunities. If you want to explore one of these incredible opportunities or find out how much your lakefront home could sell for in today's market, let's connect. Again, I am Rachael Smith with Remax and Big Bear, and I'd love to help you navigate this exciting market. Call or message me today, and let's make your lakefront dreams a reality. Talk to you soon. Bye.